Hey guys, Oliver Windows here, and today I am back with another video. And today what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm actually going to be showing you guys some stuff that I found at the thrift store. At a few thrift stores really, but actually I think I actually got all of these from one single thrift store. But yeah, I'm actually really happy, like really excited for what I found at this thrift store. So first off, oh no, you know what? What I'm first going to show you guys actually did come from a different thrift store. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first thing that I found at a thrift store was not one, but two blank DVD hard drives. They did actually have like 5 of them, but you know, I don't think I'll need any that much. Hopefully, now I can actually Hackintosh since I have actual DVDs in my hand again. It's about freaking time. I haven't had DVDs in a while. But next up, I'll just show you these right here for now. Next up, what I found at the same thrift store as I found these, somehow I managed to find Microsoft Streets and Trips 2005. Unfortunately, it's just the you know, this disc container. It isn't the full box. But as you can see, it's all in here. You got the setup, you got your little pamphlet over here. And there really isn't that much to offer in this pamphlet. But again, back to 2005, as you can see, they did used to come in the big boxes, but unfortunately this didn't. I don't even know if this has a product key with it or not. But yeah, this would be a nice upgrade from 2004. Do let me know down in the comments if you guys want me to look at 2004 and 2005. I might do them in the same video, I might do them in different ones, I'm not too sure yet. Next up, what I found at a different thrift store was this. This is a wireless desktop PCI network card. As you can see, I'm reading it pretty much. It's made by Belkin, actually, which is pretty nice. But basically what I got this for is if I have a desktop that doesn't have an Ethernet card in it or anything like that, pretty much, you know those like little wireless cards that are about like this big that you usually put into laptops? Well, that's pretty much what this is for. You plug it into an older computer, and you can put that card inside of this, and then, you know, use it like a wireless card, which is pretty much what this is. What this means. I hope that's what this is for. That's what it looks like this is for. But if I'm wrong, please do let me know down in the comments down below. So it's compatible with all these things: Windows 95, 98, 2000 ME, or NT4. It requires one Belkin wireless notebook network card. So I do need a Belkin network card, which I don't have, but I might be able to get my hands on it if anyone is willing to help. So at the bottom here, nothing of much importance. Yeah, see, this right here is what made me say that, because it says it's a D wireless notebook network card. I think that it's just because it's Belkin brand. It can potentially be other brands. I really hope that's the case, and it's not like I need Belkin brands. I really hope I don't. Here's the back. Yeah, it was dirty when I bought it. I don't really know what that stuff is, so I just try not to touch it. But that's pretty much exactly what it is. If you guys want to pause and read, you guys can. Go ahead and pause and read. But that is not what you guys came here to see. You guys did not come here to see me show off some DVDs, an old outdated Microsoft Streets and Trips, and again, old and outdated wireless card, although this is pretty cool. What you guys clicked on this video to see Microsoft Windows version 3.1, mind you, not 3.11, 3.1. Unboxed, unsealed, it's still sealed. It still has the shrink wrap all over it. It hasn't been opened at all. This is freaking insane. This thing is really heavy too. So this is going to my collection. Maybe, just maybe, if I reach 100,000 subscribers and this video reaches, I don't know, like, say 50,000 likes, I might open it for you guys and see what's inside. This thing is vintage. I'm almost tempted not to even do that. But if I get enough support on here and you know, people being like, yes, do it, I'll do it. But right now, it is staying packed up, completely sealed up and everything. This thing is Just got a little bit of an indent right there. It's kind of got squished a little bit. I just don't understand. So, I think the reason why this wasn't ever opened is because, as you can see there, right there, this is a 5.25 inch floppy disk. Right there, as you can see. And there's the serial number if that can help anyone. So it's Windows 3.10 5.25. Team MT. I'm not really sure who that is. I guess it was a brand back then that bought this, maybe? Or not a brand, but a company. So, yeah, this is basically can be installed via 5.25 inch floppy disk drives. I don't have any of those. That's another reason why I don't want to open this right now. I probably will have one, like, you know, in the future, but who knows how long it'll take for me to get to even 100,000 subscribers. But there's your system requirements there. Of course, it requires MS-DOS. What version of Windows doesn't? Back in this time, anyways. Man, 256K extended memory. That is crazy how little that is. But it says you must have a 5.25 high density or 3.5 disk drive. So I assume there's regular floppy disk drives in here, but by regular I mean those, you know, like I said, 3.5 inch square ones. So I assume those are in here. That would be awesome. That would be really freaking awesome. And let's look at the back here. You guys can pause to read, obviously, at any moment you want. I'm not going to read all this, but I might pick out some stuff. See your shrink wrap. It's crazy. Before they had the scroll wheel there. Copyright 1992. That is insane. So yeah, I'm going to be as gentle as possible with this thing. In my closet, I have like a stack of stuff kind of standing together, you know, like the Windows XP Home that I found, and the other stuff that I have. I can't exactly remember at the moment. Like the Streets and Trips 2004 is in there as well. So I will be putting this probably in the middle of it, so it'll be like least likely to, you know, fall like off the edge of it or something like that. But yeah, whenever I found this thing, I actually didn't even find it. Like, I went there and I found this. And I went to buy it, and I'm like, yeah, I've got some old computers and stuff. He's like, oh well, if you're interested in old computers, we have an old Windows 3.1 up there. I was like, holy crap, I don't have the money for this thing. And that's whenever I made that post on YouTube. I made that post about getting this specific thing, and so like 2 days ago, I went back, and I actually went back just to get an HDMI cable, but I wanted to see if it was still there. And it was a different person working there. Every single time I go there, it's a different person that's working there, which doesn't make sense to me. But I will show you guys the receipt. As you can see, it right here, it was originally $90. He gave me a $20 discount. So it dropped down to $72. That's still a lot of money, but this thing is wrapped up in pristine condition. I mean, obviously not pristine, but it is in like amazing condition. It's just literally barely squished in like that. But yeah, here's my proof of purchase. Literally $71 Microsoft. That's just crazy to me. This blows my mind. I'm gonna put this over here in case I leak some stuff. So yeah, guys, if you guys would like to see me unpackage this thing and unbox it, I really don't know. I don't want to, but if I reach my goal of at least 100,000 subscribers and 50,000 likes, I'll do it. Obviously, if not, I won't do it. And maybe in the future, I'll find another box and open it like that instead, or maybe I'll find another still wrapped up box, but if it looks worse, I'll unbox that one instead of this one. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. Make sure you guys check out all the links down in the description. I've got a Discord server. If you guys would like to support me, feel free to do that by buying me a coffee. The link is down in the description as well. It is by pitching in at least $1. Works out perfectly. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, guys.